So I've discovered there's really no segue into a surf fishing beach scene that's remotely scary. So here are a couple of things that are scary for fishermen. Wind knots.
Damn it.
Getting hooked. You forgot it was your anniversary
Really?
and you can't go fishing. Big perch, guys, check this out. It's probably a good 12 inches, maybe 13 inches. We're gonna take this one home. All right, so today we got a special guest. I got my friend here, he's gonna help us fillet. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, thanks for making it. I know this time of year is really busy for you. Okay, that's a pretty unorthodox way of filleting fish. Which is cool. I really like that stabbing technique. I think that'll catch on. Hey, don't worry about that. My grandmother didn't like that base anyways. All right, so why don't I just get out of your way here and, you let me know when you're done. So all done, huh? Wow. That is a pretty nice fillet job right there. I mean, killer presentation. I mean, nice presentation. All right, thanks again, man. I really appreciate it. I'll give you a call this weekend. Let's play pickleball. All right, we're gonna take our beautiful perch fillets here and slice them very thinly. All right, then we're just gonna arrange this on our plate and top it with a couple of things. Hey Liam, can you hand me the olive oil? Liam? Where did that kid go? Hey buddy, just wondering if you had the olive oil.
Is this what you wanted?
Yeah, that's it. Thanks. I need to get that kid outdoors more. He needs some sun. Our rosemary plant in the backyard is blooming flowers this time of year, so we're gonna use that. Alright guys, here is our surf perch carpaccio that we made. Looks really good, looks really fancy actually. Kind of just shows, the versatility of surf perch. You can eat it raw, you can eat it cooked, so many different preparations, and it tastes amazing. So, ready to dig in?
Yep.
Alright. Pretty good, what do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. I put a lot of pepper on it so I could taste some of the heat from that, but I really like that. I think it tastes pretty good. So we put rosemary flowers on it, really just for, the look of it. The rosemary flowers actually don't have a taste of rosemary, but they have a great violet color that I think makes the dish really stand out. Wonder who that could be. Oh, hello.
Give us some candy, old man. Yeah.
Okay, that was rude.
Hurry up, you got a candy yet? We don't have all day.
Yeah, I got your candy right here. You didn't say trick or treat, so I chose for you.